guys, I just arrived from work and I just collected my snack for today. It's yummy pizza. Come on, let's eat. Hi guys, this is our snack for today. Pizza. Garlic pizza stick. Yan guys, free lang yan kasi nag-fill up ako ng survey. Yan, may free garlic stick tayo and ito talaga yung aking favorite. Hawaiian. Yan guys. Yan ang aking yan guys, yan ang aming snack for today. Okay. This is my favorite Hawaiian pizza. Okay, let's get one and we're gonna get another. And let's get one. And this one, the pizza stick. We have here the pizza stick. This is free. Let's try what's the taste of this one. Hot. Yan guys. Sarap ng pizza stick, garlic pizza stick. Tomato. Kanyang tomato dip. Tikman natin. Ang bango. Wow. Ibang klase. May flavor siya. Mahap. Parang dito pa lang sa garlic stick. Busog ka na yan. Sarap. Sarap niya guys. Sarap niya guys. Yan o, tingnan nyo, ang dami. Tomato and herb. Kaya pala ang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng differs. Ang sarap ng sauce nitong garlic pizza bread. Yan guys, ang sarap nitong tomato and herb differs. Ito ang garlic pizza stick. Sarap niya guys. Kuha naman tayo dito sa aking favorite Hawaiian. Ito naman yung dippers nila is garlic and herb. Half din yun guys. Tayo sa aking favorite na all-time favorite na Hawaiian pizza. Yan. Unang subo, loyal subscriber. Dito sa garlic and herb, masarap na. Dippers. Sarap. Hindi ko kayang ubusin to. Pizza garlic stick and Hawaiian pizza. Nang subo, loyal subscriber. Pero favorite ko pizza eh. Nagkikrave ako pag hindi ako nakakain ng pizza once a week. Sarap kasi ng pizza nila dito. Ayan. Sarap. Kain tayo ha. Ang dami kong order. Dalawa. Yan guys, ang sarap talaga kumain. Isa pa lang nakakain ko. Pero itong pizza garlic, pero itong garlic. Yan. Isa pa lang nakakain ko dito sa ano, Hawaiian. Mahilig kasi ako magkukulit ng points, no? Nagda-download ako ng app nila na itong pizza na to. Masarap yung pizza nila dyan sa Papa John's. Magda-download ako ng app nila. Tapos tuwing bibili ako, nag-iipon ako ng points. Ayan. Tapos pag bumibili ako, may points ka. Kaya ayan, naka-free ako nitong garlic pizza stick. Or fill up ka ng survey. Bibili ka niyan. Sarap. Sarap, guys. Pareho silang masarap. Nasasarapan ako pareho. Ito, first time ko lang makatikim, parang nasasarapan ako. Ayun. Sarap kumain. Merienda namin to ng anak ko. Pero hindi mauubos. Madami. Malaki yung pizza ko. Eight slice siya. Yan guys, favorite ko talaga pizza, Hawaiian pizza. And tapusin ko lang yung pagkain ko. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for supporting my small YouTube channel. God bless us all.